I've got the HUAWEI P40 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to use a camera pro mode on it. At first we have to click on the camera button here and then we move to the pro mode. This mode is cool because we can choose the parameters of taking picture manually, and as you can see we have different settings here to manage. At first take a look on the left corner. Here we can turn on the RAW format, which is the best format to taking pictures and post-producing it, and it's used by the professional photographers. And here we can also pick the highest resolution of this camera to taking picture. And now take a look on this settings bar. At first we can pick the metering from the matrix metering, center metering and spot metering. The next one is ISO. Here we can control the camera's sensitivity of light, as you can see on this slider. And the next one is shutter speed. Here we can pick the time of taking picture. As you can see, it's a wide spectrum from 1 and 4/1000 to 30 seconds of taking picture, which gives a lot of possibilities to experiments. And the next one is exposure compensation, and it's locked because we picked the ISO manually. So to use this parameter we have to pick the auto ISO, and here we can move this slider to make our picture more brighter and more darker. And the next settings are focuses, and here we can pick the single shot autofocus, continuous autofocus and manual autofocus. Manual focus. It's not auto, we can use this slider to pick our own focus preferred by us. And the last one of these parameters is white balance. Here we can pick one of 4 white balances: cloudy, white fluorescent light, tungsten light, daylight. And also we have this parameter where we can manage the temperature of taking picture in Kelvin degrees, and it's also useful. The good thing in this camera is that here we have the information button, and you can read by your own about all these parameters and learn from it. And now I'm gonna take a picture. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.